Hey, Smarties! Welcome to the world of Creepy Crawlies. Let's dive in and meet our creepy crawly friends. Spiders, centipedes, millipedes, cockroaches, ants, scorpions, beetles, ticks, earwigs, silverfish, termites, maggots, fly larvae, worms, slugs, snails, crickets, grasshoppers, mites, bedbugs, fleas, mosquitoes, praying mantises, stink bugs, cicadas, lice, peelbugs, roly-polies, harvestmen, daddy longlegs, stick insects, jumping spiders, tarantulas, wolf spiders, velvet worms, house centipedes, springtails, glowworms, woodlice, bristletails, assassin bugs, leafhoppers, lacewings, weevils. Bye-bye, Smarties. Thanks for watching. See you next time.